Every generation grows up with something that defines how they see the world. For some, it was television. For others, the internet. But for the next generation, it's artificial intelligence. AI doesn't just power their search engines or recommend their playlists. It shapes their perception of truth, beauty, and identity. Think about it. A 10-year-old today might ask ChatGPT for homework help, create digital art with Midjourney, and get life advice from a virtual influencer. That's not science fiction. That's everyday life. AI is becoming the lens through which the next generation learns about the world. It tells them what's trending, what's normal, what's true. But here's the question. Who's teaching the algorithm how to teach them? AI learns from data that reflects human history, culture, and bias. So when kids grow up consuming AI-curated content, their worldview isn't just formed by experience, but by the invisible hands of algorithms. It decides what news they see, what art they admire, and even what opinions seem popular. AI doesn't just reflect society, it's beginning to reshape it. But there's hope. If we teach the next generation to see AI not as a truth machine, but as a thinking partner. A tool for creativity, not conformity. Because the future doesn't belong to the smartest algorithms, it belongs to the humans who understand them. AI is rewriting how the next generation sees knowledge, empathy, and power. And maybe, just maybe, that's the moment we need to pause and ask, who's shaping the worldview of tomorrow? The humans or the machines? I'm Cynthia, and this is SynthiaTek, where we explore how AI isn't just changing technology, it's changing us.